I love you! Hey man, nice wheels!
Love you!
Snowcat! This chick's like, why do they care? Before we start the video, a big thank you to my sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. Forget everything you think you know about mobile games because one of the most ambitious RPG projects of 2019 has just been released, Raid Shadow Legends. This game is really immersive and the best part is, it's totally free. It has amazing storyline, awesome 3D graphics, boss fights, PvP battles, and hundreds of champions to collect and customize. Look how crazy the level of detail is on these champions. Raid is getting really big really fast, so jump in early. Download Raid only through my link below to get 50,000 silver and a free epic champion. Link down below in the description. Support me, support the channel. Thanks so much guys, on to the video. Doing God's work! Doing God's work right there! And he's on the phone. You see the cop? He's on his personal cell phone while radaring people. Go slow, my boys! I wish everyone knew the cop simple thing, but they don't, you know? So that is like, the cops love it there at that spot, man. Doing God's work over there. There we go. You see, this cop is texting on his phone. That's, what is that, Facebook? That. But see, cops will tell you, oh yeah, we could be on our own personal phones. But we don't have to follow the distracted driving laws. So this guy here is on his phone. He's looking down his lap. Green light. Doesn't notice yet. Doesn't notice yet. Oh my god. He's still texting. I can't believe that. Cops. Yeah, still texting. Am I recording? Oh yes, I am. But they'll come back and say our CPS officers are advanced trained, and there's a, which is true, there's a thing in the use of the Highway Act or whatever that cops don't have to follow any of the laws in Alberta, so which is complete BS. But there you go, he's on his personal cell phone and they say, oh, I'm doing work or I'm doing this or that. Dude, your work laptop is literally right there. Yeah. Oh, gotta do some sensitive super secure secret you know, work stuff on my personal non-secure cell phone. LOL, hey honey, I'm just finishing this stupid shift. I'll see you soon. And now we got the PD fucking wheelie. There you go, little rear brake action, boy. Oh, it's so nice, it's so pretty. I wasn't recording. Fuck! You okay? That was a good one. You scraped the plate, buddy. You okay? Is your bike off? I just turned off the camera. He scraped the plate. As you can see, his plate's no longer. Damn, dude. Ugh. How's the bike? Oh dude, it's like, damn, I just turned off my camera. You could have seen it. You're like, you came back and then you went to the left and you had it, you put your foot down and then you're just, and then you tumbled hard. How's your leg? Dude, you tumbled. Like a champ. And this bike, I don't even see where the... Oh yeah. Oh, is that a new axle? Oh no, that's just an axle slider. I don't know, I'm more mad now that now you're okay. I'm more mad I didn't get on video. Dude, because you came back, you went left, and you put your foot down to the right, and then then the bike kind of slid, and you just went tumbling. Ugh. Okay, let's do a, is everything straight and true? Yeah, man, the axle slider did a lot. What's this broken? Oh, this came, oh shit. The bolts. Yeah, but I'm not too sure if the bottom of the fork leg needs to, like, it comes up now. Ooh, I wonder if you could re-tap that. The axle sliders actually saved the day. And your license plate is hilarious. Hey, you scraped your plate though. Is that the first time scraping? Well, here's your slider. There's some of your KTM. Here's a piece from your backpack. Is your backpack broken? Yeah, well, here's here's a piece of your backpack. Something orange hit the ground though. The peg. Yeah, the peg. It's just your foot peg. Your rear brake is fine. The foot peg came up and kind of squished the plastic a little bit. Yeah, I'll try it. I just want to get out of the rain. Okay, so don't crash it, right? So this is my first time riding a real supermoto, I think. Oh yeah, as I've ridden a, oh my goodness. As I've ridden a, you know, 701 Supermoto, 690 Enduro, but this is a 450 EXC converted. Oh yeah. It is raining. Shit. Oh man, it's so stupidly light. Like, it's so light. Okay, here we go. Let's try a second gear. So third gear? Yeah, third gear on a 450. Oh dude, this bike is awesome, man. How low? Like, probably not very low, but after seeing you go down, I'm just taking it easy, you know? I don't want to go crazy wheelies, it's not my bike. Dude, it's just this right here, you know? Like, how low is that? Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Oh, we got our buddy here again. Oh dude, it's so light. Yeah, so light. We're not bugging you guys, are we? We're not bugging you guys, are we? Okay.
I need one. It's so light. Yeah, it needs a street front to do that properly. Fuck, this thing is so heavy now. Like, dude, I'm like driving a brick wall right now. Look at this guy right through a red light. What a douche. Yeah, so go west there, bud. Okay, let me know how your leg feels tomorrow. Okay, buddy. Talk to you later.